Hello, you're welcome here. I'm Adebisi Okwemi from compassforum.com, and today I want to show you a way you can be making up to 50,000 naira every month online. Doing what? Reading news and posting comments. Yes, you heard me. Before I proceed, I want to tell you to check down below, hit the subscribe button, and there's a bell beside it. Hit that bell so that you won't miss out of our videos that will be coming on. And if this is your first time on this channel, this is the very first time you're visiting this channel, I want you to check down below, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button behind it, and then in the comment section, comment I subscribe, and I will personally welcome you to this YouTube channel where we'll teach you, where we'll explain, where we'll give you ideas, business ideas, where we'll do a lot of things that you can make money with. See, let me tell you something. If you don't have money, everything is always boring. Nothing is really interesting when you are broke. So for you not to be broke, I am here now to share this video with you, to share with you an information that can really be a big deal for you. First of all, I have to tell you that you have to put some work. You won't just sit there watching your computer, but you are going to put in some work. But if you can budget 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes, or more hours per day, it will really help your earnings. But what are the things that you need to start this business? You need your phone. You already have a phone, I'm sure. And then you need an internet connection. Those are the two things you need: your phone and an internet connection. Let me quickly explain the earning strategy, the way they pay you, because most people might want to ask that how will you just read and post comment and they'll be paying you in return. Now, the idea behind it is that this website forum I'm talking about is monetized with Google AdSense. Google AdSense is an ad network that will place advertisement on your website, and you make money depending on the amount of traffic you have. So if you are going to join this, if you are going to be making money on this website, remember that you have to be reading news and be posting comments. So as you are reading news and posting comments, that is an engagement. You are improving the traffic on the site. So as you are improving the traffic on the site, for example, let's say you want to dedicate 2 hours to working and posting and reading on that forum. Now, within that 2 hours, you know how many pages you are going to open? You are going to open roughly around 230 pages. Now, you open 230 pages, that is 230 page views for the forum. And as this page view increases, Google AdSense will be paying them. And also they have some sponsored posts that they will be sharing on the forum. People will pay them to share some posts, some feature article, some self-serve ad like that. So those are the ways that they make their money on that forum. From this money that they are making through AdSense and other ad service on the forum, that is where they will be paying you from. So you are engaging, you are creating engagement by reading and posting on the forum, and in return, AdSense will be paying them every month. And as AdSense is paying them every month, because you are one of the people contributing to the traffic on the site, they will be paying you a token from what AdSense is paying them. So they are making their money, and you are making your own money. So that is the earning strategy. Before you can register, you have to pay 1,600 naira as a registration fee. See, the reason for this payment fee is that if they just allow anybody to be coming up, most people will just come and type LOL. So some will say wow, and they will say they are commenting. Those kind of comments are not allowed. So in order to moderate that and to limit the number of people that will just come and start posting the same comment on several posts just to make money, and which is very, very bad but for the site, so they have to regulate it with that fee. You are going to make back your money. 1,600 naira is not really a much money to start an investment. So once you invest this 1,600 naira, is a one-time registration fee, and after that you don't have to pay any money again. All you just have to do is to be withdrawing your money every month. So after that 1,000 fee registration, your daily login will be 15 naira. You log in a day, you log in today to that website without reading anything, without anything. You log in, you'll be credited with 15 naira. Tomorrow you log in again, that's another 15 naira. So every day, 24 hours, you'll be credited with 15 naira. Also, when you post a sponsored post on your Facebook page, your Facebook wall, they're going to pay you 15 naira for that. One amazing thing is that you get 20 naira also for every genuine post you publish. If you have a news, you have anything amazing, any amazing news that you want to share, you are going to be paid 20 naira for that post. You are going to be getting your payment every 27th of the month. 27th of every month, that's when they pay. And the minimum payout is 5,000 naira. Once you have up to 5,000 naira in your account, you can do what? You can withdraw your money. And also, one amazing thing is that if you refer your friend, you tell them about the site and they sign in through your referral link, you are going to be credited with 1,000 naira instantly. So without referral, you don't have to bother yourself. If you don't have people you can invite, people you can talk into making money online, that's good. You can be making over 1,000, 2,000 naira every day, even without referral bonus. It depends on how many hours you want to put into this, but I can assure you, if you can put in 2 hours out of 24 hours, put in 2-3 hours, you can really make a lot. And every month you don't have to worry about some bills again. I'm not saying this will make you a billionaire, but at least it will pay some bills and make things go smoothly a little bit. Now let me take you to my system and let me show you how it works. All right, so you're welcome to my system, and let me quickly show you how you're gonna do it. So there's a link in the description below for your registration. If you are interested, just click on the link in the description below, and then this page is going to open to you. Once you click on the link in the description below, the NNU registration link below, this page is going to open. And once this page open, this is the 1,600 naira. That's the NNU income pack. It's called NNU income pack. So you have to register with. Don't worry, your money is not going anywhere. You are going to be making a passive income starting with just 1,600 naira. So before you register, you should take your time to read all of this. Read them all. They are very, very important. They will give you clues and everything. You can read people's review, comments, and just make sure that you check around, at least read about the stuff a bit. So once you've made up your mind, you have to click on register now. So once you click on register now, a page will be open. You just make sure you fill the details, put in your Gmail, and you'll be asked to choose a payment method. Use the Vogue Pay to use your MasterCard. The form is just self-explanatory. Just make sure you follow it. You register. Your bank will send you an OTP for verification. Just insert it, and then this site will send you a message through your mail that you have to wait for about 24 hours to be approved. So after the approval, just make sure that you go through the form. They are self-explanatory and easy. And if you find any difficulties, I'm going to drop a link to a WhatsApp group in the description below that would help you out in your registration process and give you some other tips that can be really helpful for you making money online through this program. So once you pay and you're approved, this is how your account will be. Your profile will be here. You can set your payment setting if you want to you want to add your bank details where they will send the money to you. Sponsored posts will be here. Once you click on this place, you have access to sponsored posts, and once you share them on Facebook, you are going to be credited with 15 naira. And this is where you get your affiliate referral link and all of those. This is where you check your withdrawal. Just a normal dashboard. You can check the top affiliate, top 5 affiliate, top 10 earners, and all of those. This can really be a very way to pay some bills for you. So you can just try it out with 1,600 naira. Click in the link in the description below. If you have any difficulties during your registration, there's a WhatsApp group in the description below also. Click on it and join the WhatsApp group, and then we can put you through and help you through your registration process and give you some other hints that you can use to improve your earning too. So thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe. You must subscribe. You have to subscribe because more videos are coming up and you don't want to miss out. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please share. People, let everybody make money. Share, please share, so their earning will not disturb your own. So share this video. Make sure you click on share. In fact, share now.